guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Yep, you know what to do. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing, hopefully I'm not talking too loud, I don't know. When I get excited, I talk loud, okay? I don't like how you can see in the mirror. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Dossier. I could be saying it wrong. Y'all know I'm not the best at pronouncing things, but it's I'm pretty sure it's French. It's a perfume company that is extremely affordable but high quality, and they kind of like, I don't want to say knockoff because knockoff sounds cheap. This is super high quality, but they replicate to the best like super expensive scents. I'm not one for buying expensive scents. I just can't imagine but like paying hundreds of dollars for a perfume. So I'm always looking for something really good smelling that's affordable. So I'm so excited to be working with them. Thank you, Dossier, however you say it, for sponsoring this video. I got a package today and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna do kind of like an, not really unboxing, but like showing you it, reviewing it, and yeah. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I got these packages. Yes, they're made in France. Ooh, please excuse my hands. Risk-free order. Also, you can return them, so that's easy returns if you don't like the scent. Clean ingredients and vegan and cruelty-free, which is always a must. So I got, the first one I got was citrus green apple. I wasn't really sure about it just because I've never gotten a scent like this, but this is definitely my favorite one. I was obsessed. And like, look how fancy the bottle is. Like, please excuse my knuckles. It's so cute. And like, the top is magnetic. And then they give you like a little tiny one. This is normally what I buy, I'm not gonna lie. I normally buy little tiny ones or like the sample ones. So it's so nice to have like a giant one now. Can you see that? Is it focusing? Focus. There we go. Citrus green apple, magnetic top. It's super aesthetic too, like just the bottle alone. Super cute. And then the next scent I got was the Floral Lavender. It smells super expensive. Always a bonus. It's got, let's see, I can't even read this. I can't say half these names, but y'all know what I'm saying. Or do y'all? Let me flip this. Okay, so I kind of wanted to do a more, I don't want to say informal. Is that the word? I don't know. I've never really, like everything I've done is like sit down. So I just kind of wanted to give it like a different feel. If I'm even giving that, I don't really know. But anyways, the ingredients in the Floral Lavender, I guess, scents? I don't really know. Mandarin, neroli, black currant. And then, okay, so top notes, and then middle notes is jasmine, lavender, orange blossom. Base notes is vanilla, amber, and musk. I'm not the best at describing perfumes, but this one, I mean, I guess floral is literally the best way. Floral and lavender, it's exactly what it smells like, so I don't know how else I would like describe it. It smells like spring, something I'd wear then. Both the scents honestly I got are spring, so excuse me, but yeah, it smells really good. Let me find the paper. Okay, so the concentration is 15%, so it is strong, but it's not like overbearing where like you know, like you can't be around someone that has it on. It's just like honestly the perfect mix, and it lasts a long time. Like I had put this on yesterday before I went to the mountains, and I was still smelling it on the way home, so it definitely lasts long. Isn't overpowering. I hate perfume where you're like you can't even be around someone, it's so strong. That's I like it nice and light. So the inspiration for this one was YSL Libre et du Parfum, however you say that. I've actually never tried that scent, although actually I might have. I feel like you always get like little sample ones from Sephora that are like YSL, so I honestly might have tried it. So I can't really compare it, but I know this, like, this smells expensive if I were to smell someone with it on. It smells so good. I don't know how to do it. Like, it smells kind of powdery also, but not in the bad way, like not in the grandma way. If that makes sense. You know, this video is probably all over the place, but yeah, it smells really good. And okay, and so this one is $29. You compare that, and you get a lot. Like, it's literally 1.7 ounces, but like, look how big it is. Like, that is a lot of perfume. At least for me it is. And for $29, that's a steal. Something like this at Ulta or Sephora would be, God, what, like 86? It would be so expensive, and I wouldn't pay that. So, and if you go online, I don't want to remember the place, sorry. $29. And I also have a discount code for y'all. It's Bailey's 10. I will have it written or right down below and in the description. It gives you 10% off of already like something super affordable. Like, that's a steal for the amount you get and the quality and the smell. Like, it just smells like something you'd like that would be in Ulta or Sephora. Like, super high end and affordable, because I'm not someone to pay that much money for a pure for a perfume. It's just not me. It's not my thing. So I'm super excited to work with them and be something that like relates to me. Like, I'm not gonna pay an arm and a leg, and I feel like there's a lot of people that won't pay that much for perfume. So it's nice to have the option of something super luxurious and is affordable, you know? Yeah. Okay, and then the next scent I have is the Citrus Green Apple. Top notes, green apple, lime, cedrat, probably didn't say that right. Middle notes, bluebell, jasmine, rose. Base notes, amber, cedarwood, and musk. I'm not really sure what these tones mean. I don't really know, if we're being honest. Okay, so the inspiration for this one was D&G Dolce & Gabbana. Dolce & Gabbana. Every time I hear that, like, Dolce & Gabbana, I just think of that TikTok song. Anywho, it's Dolce & Gabbana light blue for women. I literally just got that in the mail too with my Sephora order. It smelled okay, I'm not gonna lie. It definitely didn't smell like this one. Like, I wouldn't have thought citrus apple was the Dolce & Gabbana smell. But this one definitely smells like it. It's gonna go in my eye. Oh, it smells fruity, and it's like perfect for fall because I literally just went apple picking, so it's just like the perfect scent. I feel like you could wear it honestly anytime. I'm not someone who has to have specific scents for specific seasons. It's just not me. I don't really care. As long as it smells good, it smells good. But yeah, one was $29 compared to the Dolce & Gabbana one, which is probably ungodly expensive. And this one smells so good. This one's my favorite. I do like the Floral Lavender, but this one I feel like is one I'm gonna gravitate to the most. It just, I don't know, it smells so good. And if you use my discount code Bailey's10, gives you 10% off of $29. So, and if you don't like any of the scents, it's easy returns and exchanges, so you can always try them out. They have so many other scents. I'll do like a little here, like showing you the site and all of the options of like scents they have that are like supposed to be inspiration. I don't want to say dupe, let me take that back. Inspirations, like all their perfumes are inspirations of super expensive ones, but they give you the same, not really the same scent, but similar scents at a more affordable price, and they smell just as good. In my opinion, they smell better. Sometimes I feel like really expensive ones are like so strong and granny like. It's just, they just slap the name on it, you know? But I'd rather have good smelling scents than some, ooh, I have Dolce & Gabbana, you know? Ooh, good for you. But yeah, what's that? I don't know. Anywho, so any scent on their site is $29 or up to $39. That's crazy affordable for a perfume. I mean, if you compare it to like designer scents that are like up to like $200 something. That's crazy. They're always adding new scents to their collections, and they honestly love getting feedback from y'all to let them know like what scents to get inspiration from. So if you definitely have some that aren't on there, send them an email or DM, you know. I'm sure they'll definitely appreciate the feedback. They also have great bulk deals, so if you get multiple, you'll get a discount and free shipping with 3 bottles. You also have my discount, and you can use my link to shop. But yeah, I don't know, it's just, let me spray some on now. It just smells so good. I feel like 10 out of 10 recommend. I'll probably definitely be getting more. I want the vanilla one. I like vanilla scents, so I'll definitely be getting that one next. But yeah, like look, it's just like, it's magnetic. Like it's, I don't know, the bottling and the packaging is just so nice. For the price you get, like you're just above and beyond. So I 10 out of 10 recommend. Thank you so much. I don't know why I made that face, but thank you so much for sending me these. Y'all knew I needed to smell good, so thank you. But yeah, I'll have my discount code linked down below with the link, and I'll have the links of the scents I got down below as well. So if you like the same scents as me, definitely go check it out. Even if you're a guy here watching and you need to get your girlfriend a gift, I 10 out of 10 recommend these. They smell so good. There's so many other scents too. So if you know a scent that your girlfriend gets that's expensive, you can go and check out and see if they have that similar scent on their website. And yeah. Okay, so we got this like little tray. And yeah, it's just a nice little collection to add. Yay! Okay, so I'm probably gonna take like look how cute. That is so cute with the little flowers. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you Dossier, that's how you say it, for sending me these perfumes. They smell so good. I 10 out of 10 recommend them. Like, if you're someone like me who doesn't want to spend a ton of money on super expensive perfumes, you can literally get similar ones that smell literally the same, even better, for $29 to $39. Cheaper if you use my discount code. I'll have that down below. But yeah, so a little bit about Dossier before I end off the video. Again, our fragrances, they reproduce classic high-end scents, literally half the price, probably more than half if we're being honest. And the quality is so good. 10 out of 10 recommend. The bottle's so aesthetic, so you might even get it just for that reason alone, if you're like me. I don't know. But yeah, again, thank you for watching. Comment down below if you get any and try them and what your favorite scents are. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.